Hey guys, so as you know, I absolutely love property. So whilst I'm here in Antigua, I thought I've got to come and have a look around some places, right? So I've come to meet Nadia from Luxury Locations, who's going to show me a beautiful apartment here in Jolly Harbour. So let's meet her.
Hey Scarlette, lovely to see you.
Nice to see you, Nadia.
I'm so excited you're here and I can't wait to show you this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property in Jolly Harbour.
Brilliant, let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
Okay, this is nice. In fact, the minute I walked in, I remembered what it was like when I filmed here back in 2015 because we showed one of these properties. I remember loving it then as well with A Place in the Sun.
Yes, I do remember you in that. And that property, I think, wasn't renovated. So what they've done here is they've done like a partial renovation.
Okay.
So all new tiles throughout, new roof, new ACs, new windows and doors, and an extra bathroom upstairs. So this one only had one bathroom upstairs and now it has an ensuite and a shared bathroom upstairs. So yeah, they've done some modifications. Let's take a kind of look around.
Yeah, and I mean, the good thing is the place like this, especially if you've done a little bit of work here and there, if it's going to be sold, you don't want to do too much because you want someone to then come in and feel as though they can dress this space and make it their own. Then on the other hand, potentially you could dress this just to make it staged enough for someone to come in and think, you know what, this could be my home. So I love the fact that you've got both options in it.
So what would you say to a buyer that was looking at this kind of property to enhance, I guess, the rental potential? And so I know you're big in interior design. So
Yes.
what kind of advice would you give to a buyer?
I mean, the first thing I would do coming in here is get some pictures on the walls, some mirrors just to kind of make the most of the light coming through there, make the space look bigger, some soft furnishings, some nice cushions, maybe even some draped curtains across as well. I think depending on who it is that is looking for the property, you know, back in the UK, we like a lot of home comfort. So you might not really need curtains here, they're quite heavy, but just that effect, that style, that kind of then frames the view outside would be beautiful. So maybe potted plants, some flowers, a bit of colour, a nice rug on the floor, just the little things that makes it feel more homey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the gorgeous terrace, which has a boat dock, you know, if you are into boating, which a lot of the homes here do have the boats. It's a great harbour with loads of facilities and a bit of a mix of British, American, Canadian, loving the kind of boating community lifestyle.
Right, I think it's always nice to have a mix of nationalities somewhere because you get to learn about different people, make new friends. It makes it different from just being back home. But coming out here, I can feel it's south facing. You've got all this space. As you said, you've got a place for your boat, beautiful views. I mean, I could literally sit here all day, every day. It's absolutely gorgeous. Does the boat come with it?
I wish it did.
Negotiable, right?
Yeah,
Negotiable.
absolutely. Another thing here, basically it's just 5 minutes walk and then you're on the North Beach of Jolly Harbour. So you don't even have to get in the car to go and experience a beautiful beach.
Amazing. Love it. So that's outside. How about upstairs?
Let's go and take a look, Club. So upstairs there are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is kind of the master bedroom because it's got a nice patio opening onto the waterfront, but the second bedroom also has a patio. So it's
if they're both
kind of have 2 master bedrooms up here.
This is so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's actually a really nice view because you're not looking in really on any of the other villas. You've got the straight out to the sea, and that's where all the boats go out onto the ocean. You get some traffic, which is quite nice.
Gorgeous. Okay, so this is one of the bedrooms. This one doesn't have the ensuite.
So it doesn't have the ensuite, but it does have its own bathroom.
Oh, okay, so let's have a look.
It's just separate. These villas, so that's the bathroom.
Yep.
So these villas just used to have one bathroom here and both bedrooms used to share it. What the owners have done here is left this one for the master, and then in the second bedroom, they've made a new bathroom.
Oh, and that's a really good size as well.
Yeah. And it has a window, so that's quite nice.
Brilliant.
And then you have this one again with its own private balcony, and then you've got the views of the sleeping Indian mountain.
Gorgeous. I love the fact that really this would have just been dead space before.
Yeah.
But the owner has decided that actually to make it more desirable, let's make it an ensuite because you've still got your wardrobe space here, enough space to walk around, the terrace, and then it's just an added bonus.
Yeah.
Right, let's talk numbers now then. How much would this rent out for?
So this will be about $1,850 US a week. up to probably about 2,200 US a week.
Wow, okay, so those are good numbers.
Yeah.
But then how much would it cost me to buy it?
So this is on the market for 385,000 US dollars.
That's not that bad.
Don't you know?
I mean, for what you're getting, 2-bedroom property, 2 balconies, a downstairs terrace, obviously with somewhere for your boat as well, beautiful views, gated development, is that right?
Yeah, gated community.
You've got a nice beach 5 minutes away. That's really good, especially when you're thinking about the return on the rental.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so Jolly Harbour's the place to buy, is it?
Yeah.
All right, let me do my numbers now then. Yeah, let's see if I can buy it.
So I wanted to show you something a little bit more modern and luxury. So we're here at Tamarind Hills and we're going to see a beautiful studio with gorgeous ocean view. But first, let's go and have a look at the restaurant and the beach and get a drink.
Oh, sounds right up my...
Cheers. Yeah.
Yeah. So good. So good. So you have what, the restaurant here?
Yep, and you've got the pool over there.
Yeah.
And then you've got beautiful cabanas on the beach.
Should we have a look at those?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Water boardwalk, so it goes all around the cliffside. It's really cool.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
So out of all of these then, which one are you going to be showing me?
So we're going to see the one right at the top.
Yep. Should we go and do it?
Top is the best.
Top is the best. The views up there must be amazing.
It's gorgeous. So we're up at Tamarind Hills now, and I am so excited to show you this beautiful 1-bedroom suite.
Oh, this is beautiful. Wow.
I know, right?
This is so well done. Are they all done like this?
Yeah, they are. So all the difference is the location. But inside the unit, they have this beautiful furniture and the artwork. So yeah, they're all spectacular. Just you have to choose which one has the best view for you.
Okay, and I mean, these views for me do look pretty spectacular. And if I'm correct, that's Frisbee?
Yeah. Yep.
Frisbee?
Yes,
Because there's 2 out there.
Yeah.
Okay, the little and the big one. And in fact, I have actually visited that one. And I remember being down there looking up at this complex. So to actually be in here now and see what one of them is like, one of the actual apartments, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. And I love the fact that it comes furnished. So literally you just have to get your keys, you're in, suitcase unpacked, down to the beach.
Yeah. So this is kind of more is a resort property.
Okay.
So you wouldn't really, I don't think, would live here full time, but it's a great space to come on holiday with your family. Yeah. You can rent multiple ones and have your own. And then from a rental point of view, these rent from $450 US and up a night.
Wow.
Yeah, so you get a really good return on these units.
And just for a 1-bed?
Yeah. So you've got your 1-bed, you've got your beautiful view. And then, down there is the restaurant and the beach. Yeah. And the beach is amazing. So you can just walk down to the beach.
And you're there straight away.
Yeah.
I mean, considering this is basically a studio apartment, it doesn't feel like it because they've zoned everything so well with the kind of desk, living area, your bedroom area, dining, eating area. They've just finished it to perfection.
Yeah.
And I love it. In fact, I want to have a better look at that view. Is that okay?
Yeah, totally. We'll go outside and then we'll totally show you the bathroom because the bathroom is amazing.
Oh, look at this. Wow.
It doesn't get much better than this.
No, it really doesn't.
And this is west facing, so you're going to have this most amazing sunset from your balcony.
So you've literally got all of this space here. You're not overlooked at all. This is where we've just come from.
Yeah.
The restaurant, obviously you've got the pool, bar, and then the beaches. What more could you want? I love it. And just being in that bed as well and waking up and this being your view.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, bathroom?
Bathroom. Let's do it. So I love a good bathroom.
Who doesn't, right?
Nice bathtub, huge shower, and beautiful sinks. I just love these. It's just such interesting design.
It's really effective. I love that you've got this kind of design, so you've still got the through flow for air. Obviously you can still see out for the views, but having that separate standalone bathtub to then a nice shower. His and her sink, always brilliant, because we know the guys are messy, don't we? But even just having a separate toilet as well, this is a really good space. And again, it being a one-bedroom apartment, you'd maybe expect to find the bathroom being quite small and cramped, but they really haven't had that happen here at all. They've really gone high-end with all of it, and they've done it very well. Yeah. I'm sold. Okay, so how much would this one set me back then to buy?
So this one is 575,000 US. But with the units that we have for sale at Tamarind Hills, they do come with a passport. Okay. So if you're looking to reside in a different country or you want to be in the passport program, these are eligible.
Okay, yeah. So you kind of get your citizenship by investment here.
Yes.
If you were to buy them.
Yes.
Brilliant. And why wouldn't you? You get visa/passport, views, this beautiful apartment, and you're in a great location.
Great rental returns.
I'm guessing with a place like this, it is quite new. There's a buzz around it. People are going to be wanting to rent here. This is the new place to be and to be seen.
It's one of the only really modern resorts on the island on the west coast. So yeah, it's definitely attracting loads of customers, visitors. Yeah.
Okay, so I've got to do my numbers for the first place in Jolly Harbour, and I've got to do my numbers for this. It gives me a bit of a headache, and I'm sorry about that. Yeah, because now I'm like, which one do I go for? They're both beautiful, but the good thing is there are different properties at different price points. So if someone did want to invest in Antigua, there's an option for everyone.
Absolutely. I think we should go and study the numbers over a nice drink at Shearock's.
Yeah,
let's do it.
To you.
Thank you so much for coming and seeing us. And if you'd like to know more about Scarlette Douglas's new shows, check the description below. And if you want to follow her, her Instagram handle is also below.